Welcome to my review of the Hotel Maritim in Calella, Spain. The Hotel Maritim is part of the GHT chain of hotels. This video is not in any way sponsored by them. This is completely my personal view after staying there. The TripAdvisor rating for this hotel is 4 out of 5, which means it's very good. I would actually agree with that. This is the second time I've stayed here, and I think it deserves its high rating. I think the location overlooking the beach is really good. It's very near the town centre, and it's not in a particularly noisy location, but there is the train line in front of the hotel, but that didn't bother me at all. The reception staff are very helpful. If you need any maps of the area or help with train times, etc., they are all very good. There are 2 lifts. As you can see, this one is the outside lift. This will take us up to the 6th floor, and I'll show you the room I was allocated. This particular room has 2 beds, which is very common in Spain. It's not common to have double beds in Spain, although I believe you can ask for a double bed in some hotels. This room had a huge shower cubicle, probably 4 times the size of a standard shower. It has soap and conditioner, and there were also some toiletries such as shower caps, soap, a comb and a toothbrush. As you can see, it's got a fridge and a digital safe. There is a fee for the safe which you need to pay at reception. This room also had a couch. The only negative thing I felt was that the balcony was far too small, but it wasn't really a problem. It's always wise to bring a travel kettle with you, because Spanish hotels as a general rule do not have kettles in rooms, so remember to bring a kettle. Well, this is the sea view, literally, that you will get from the front of the hotel. From there you can also look down at the hotel swimming pool. As you can see, the balcony that you get with this room is much larger than the room I had. This had a table and 2 chairs. The facilities in this particular room were pretty much the same as the room I was given, although I had a little extra space in mine as I had the settee. It's becoming standard practice not to have cupboards and drawers in hotels these days in Spain. It makes cleaning a lot quicker and easier, but you do get hangers and a number of shelves to put your belongings in. The TV in my room could access BBC 1 and 2 and ITV and Channel 5. The restaurant had a show cooking stand just inside the door, so you can get freshly cooked food. At times the restaurant could be a bit busy, so it's a good idea to plan your visit to avoid any queues. The food I thought was really good. I thought it was better than last year, and I enjoyed every meal, and the desserts were really lovely too. Every day they had fresh melon and other fruit, plus ice cream and various other tasty cakes and things. The restaurant actually looks out over the swimming pool, which in the evening is quite nice as it's all nicely lit up. On the roof you've got the roof terrace, which includes a couple of hot tubs and lots of sun lounges, so plenty of space to relax, and of course a lovely view of Calella beach. Downstairs is the Zona Relax, which includes a swimming pool, jacuzzi, a sauna and sun lounges. Also there was a massage room where you can have a massage, but you have to book for that. There is a fee for the sauna, but everything else is included in the price. Upstairs is the bar area. Last year I didn't actually explore the back of the hotel and I didn't know these rooms existed. So you've got this little outside space here, but just around the corner past the loos you've also got some extra stairs that take you up to these other two rooms. That again I didn't know existed. So here on the right we've got this very squeaky door that leads to the other outside area. Ideal if you want a bit of peace and quiet away from everybody else. Going into the third room, this consists of a children's play area and a little library. The bar area has a TV, a snooker table, various children's machines, and obviously the bar where you can order alcoholic drinks and coffee, etc. Well, that concludes my review of the Hotel Maritim in Calella, Spain. This has been my very first hotel review. I hope it's been useful. Please leave your comments, and to help the channel grow it would be helpful if you would subscribe. I'll leave some links to other videos at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.